Here we go. Alright, well here's Corey about to play some whatever fuck it's called. And he's getting pissed already, so he's probably gonna do a little dance.
Dry bones today, so I'm locked dry bones in the Best Buy fucking week. It's amazing. Alright, we're gonna do baby.
That one. No, that one. Up, go up.
This one?
No, up. That one.
Or let me do it automatic as a fucking manual. We're gonna do flower cup. So it goes. Dude, the tight angle is this way. This fucking or something, dude. Like, Gatorade just chilling. A mouth guard, even though I don't even need a mouth guard. I can get the boost to the stocks, I'm terrible. Pretty much. And then, I'm pretty much owning. Juke.
Corey's in first for the first time ever.
Oh yeah, finally.
And I didn't get a block because I'm a nub again.
See, that's why you picked that bike.
Don't red shell me. Don't you? I'm getting 8 now. Good. I don't even care. Like, this game can suck my balls anyway. Like, 15, baby.
Look, Corey got game on.
Alright, someone's getting green shelled. Fuck you, Yoshi.
Here's Angela. She's the most retarded face I've ever seen in my life.
Aimed for the second time in this game. This lovely game of stuff.
You got inked again.
I just got owned by Chomp, whatever the fuck his name is. I didn't even care though, like, really.
I can't take this serious right now. This is awesome.
Oh, that's it. Ace game, baby.
You just got owned again.
Goomba.
More like Goonies.
There you go. Yoshi, you fucking really get back here. I'm not sticking in the
Oh, you just did it.
Bomb on? Oh, I didn't even know what that was. I used to play back in the day, Mario. Come on. In the air? Oh, when I got powered move lock. Alright. Alright, Cam, full force, baby. Full force. Fifth. Fourth. Third. I'm the first. I'm in first. Look at my screen. Zoom in on that.
First? You finished first for the first time.